It's lunchtime in Escalante. We are going to make fish tacos. Specifically, we're going to make salmon tacos. Piece of cake. Coleslaw. Little bit of salt only, just a little bit, because the mayo is considerable and it'll make it salty. Sesame seed oil, just a little bit, just for that smoky flavor. Crushed red pepper to taste. A pinch of cumin, just a little, just a little. Cumin goes a long way as well. That's all right there. And if I can find it, smoked Spanish paprika, just a little bit here as well, just for that bacon flavor. That's it, just a pinch. You don't want to overwhelm the fish. That's the star of the show. Mayo, Sir Kensington's, always. Classic mayonnaise, sunflower. See what that does right there. Just mix it up. Fish tacos are so simple. I mean, all they're gonna have in it, I'm gonna make them with I couldn't find cassava wraps, which is usually what I like. You know, the gluten-free, just simple cassava. I don't like gluten-free stuff that uses tapioca usually and stuff like that, like when it's like starchy. I'll just use regular flour. But I think these are going to be okay. They are they're almond flour. Almond flour. Hope you can hear me. It's getting a little breezy again. Phenomenal day though. Calm winds usually, you know, for the most part. It's supposed to go up to 80 today. I think this is good right here. Just the right amount of mayo. Oh, I'm gonna add a pinch of acid, of vinegar. Just a pinch. The salmon is quite fatty and rich, so it's nice to have a little acid to cut through that, to juxtapose that. Mix this up real well. Just let it sit. Let it sit right here in the sun. Let that coleslaw just start, you know, letting the acid break down the natural sugars of the coleslaw. And we're gonna get the fish going. 5 minutes on that side, 3 minutes on the other side. Skin side down first. Just a very light touch of olive oil. we'll let that keep cooking. That's still a little, needs another minute, but this little edge was good to go. We're ready to assemble. Alrighty, let's get it on. Okay, got a little pico de gallo, avocado, and the coleslaw you saw me make. So easy peasy, no big deal at all. We'll start off with the coleslaw. Looking forward to that. Just a little, you know, see how it goes. A little avocado. Hope you guys can see this. Just a very light touch of salt on this avocado. And a touch of pico de gallo. This has tomato, onion, cilantro. Those are the main ingredients. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what this. No cheese. Don't put cheese on salmon. I just don't do it. The almond tortilla is not as flavorful as the cassava. It's also more brittle. Delicious. Oh yeah. Salmon tacos in the middle of, literally, hole in a rock. Escalante, Grand Staircase, Utah.